Today, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create horizontal and vertical scrolling in Figma. Subscribe and support this video with a like and comment. First, let's create a frame. Then create rectangles that will scroll horizontally. Combine them into an auto layout and insert them into our initial frame. In order for the animation to work correctly, our frame with rectangles must be reduced so that the rectangles overflow it. Switch to prototyping and change overflow to horizontal. Let's check how it works. OK, it works well. Now let's create a vertical scroll. We repeat everything as before, but the overflow will be vertical. It works, but not very correctly. We need to apply clip content to the frame. Now let's create a scroll animation using a real example. We repeat the same steps we did with the gray rectangles before. The animation will only work if the content overflows the frame in which it is located.